Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Let D 9, 15, E 8, 14 and F 9, 16 be the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. Then find the coordinates of vertex C. Now to find that, let's assume A has x1, y1, B has x2, y2 and C has x3, y3 as coordinates. Now, we are given that midpoint of BC is D. So, using midpoint formula, which is given by, let's see, x comma y, when x and y are midpoint, is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is midpoint formula. So in this case we know D given D 9 comma 15 is midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Therefore this will be equal to D 9 comma 15 will be equal to, let's see, BC, midpoint of BC, so x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. Similarly, we get E 8 comma 14 equal to its midpoint for AC, so CA, so we have x1 plus x3 by 2 comma y1 plus y3 by 2 and F 9 comma 16 equal to its midpoint of AB, so x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now we have, let's see, we get x1 plus x2. Here, from here we can simply equate x with x and y with y. We get x1 plus x2 equal to 9 by 2 equal to 9. So what I do, I take this 2 over to the other side. I get x1 plus x2 equal to 18. This is equation 1. Similarly, I get y1 plus y2 equal to 16 2s are 32. This is equation 2. Then I get x1 plus x3 equal to 16 3 and y1 plus y3 equal to 28 4. x2 plus x3 equal to 18 5 and y2 plus y3 equal to 30, which is 6. Now from 1 3 and 4 5 sorry, from 1 3 and 5 we can simply add these three. So we get 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 34. No, not 34. 52. The addition will be 6 plus 8 is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And 52. 5. This will be 5. So from 1, 3 and 5 we get 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 52, and thus we get x1 plus x2 plus x3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 26. This is equation 1. Similarly, we get from 2, no, not 2, 2, 4 and 6, we have 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 equal to summation of all these, which is 90, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 45. 45, let's call this equation 2. Now what we are asked to find the coordinates of point C. So x3 y3 we have to find out. Therefore we can get x3 y3 from by using equation 1. Let's see, from 1 and where are x1 x2, yes, I, we can use 1 minus I, we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 minus x1 plus x2 equal to 26 minus 18. Similarly, from in y part we get from equation 2 and I what we get, y1 plus y2 plus y3 minus y1 plus y2 is equal to 45 minus 32. So we get x1 and x2 cancelled out here. So what we have, x3 equal to 26 minus 18 is 8, and from here we get y1 and y2 cancelled out. So we get y3 equal to 45 minus 32 is, let's see, 13. So y3 is 13. Therefore, coordinates of C, x3, y3 are equal to 8, 13. This is the answer.